In this video today, we will see how to change the notification sound for incoming messages, either for all the contact or for a specific contact only. Now suppose if I want to change the message notification sound for everyone, then what I will do, I will go to settings, then I will go to this apps. Let me scroll down and open message application. So this is the message application. I will open it. Go to this option notifications, go to this option general notification and open it. Go to sound. Right now the notification sound is beep 1. So if you want, you can change anything, then go back. So what we have done is we have changed the notification sound for incoming messages, and this will apply to all the contact. Also go to this option new messages, go to sound, and here also you have to change it. Go back and then again go back. So we have for general notifications and we have for new messages received. Now this is for all the contact. Now suppose if you want to change the message notification tone only for a specific contact, then what we will do is we will go ahead and we will open messages application. Then what we will do is we will select a contact like this one, open it, then tap on these three dotted icons here, go to this option notification type, and if it is default, go to custom, tap on the gear icon here, then go to sound and change the notification sound. So in this case only the notification sound for this particular contact will be changed when they will send you a message. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.